Now we're going to create the next link, and we start if this underscore current doesn't equal this underscore number of pages, which means if we are not on the last page, basically, because if the number 5 is going to be displayed in a URL assigned to the PG parameter, and we have 5 pages total, then obviously this condition here, it won't display what we're just about to type. It will display, however, what's in the else statement. Okay, so in this one, let's get next page number, and it will be ID, very similar to what we've just done in the previous video. And again, this time we're going to add to our current property, so this underscore current plus 1. Now that we know what's the next page, we can create our URL again, equals this underscore URL dot ampersand dot self, our key identifier, then dot and double quote equal, and again concatenating with the ID of the next page. Now we don't have to do the same condition as we did here, because obviously next page is always going to be plus something, so plus 1 is obviously in this case. So we're not going to need just the URL, because it's obviously just the URL goes directly to the first page. Okay, now that we have our URL, if we copy our previous statement here, statement which adds our previous link, obviously this time we're going to rename it to next, and else we will simply display the span with the next as in between the span tags. Okay, now it's time for the last link. If this underscore current doesn't equal this underscore number of pages, which is exactly the same condition as in the previous link, then we create URL equals this underscore URL dot ampersand dot self underscore key parameter property, and then equal this underscore number of pages. Now again, if we copy this statement here, we have out, we put in, this time it's going to be last rather than next, and obviously else after our if, which will be very similar to this line. Instead of next, it will be last. Okay, so now we have all of our links ready. Our out array is ready to implode now, so return, and we will be imploding all these links and spans in between the li tags with in between the L tags. So li, we start with li dot implode, and we'll be imploding them with closing li tag and opening li tag. Then our array and the implode dot, and we close as well with the closing li tag. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to start with the li tag, then all of the tags, there will be, let's say, a, closing li, opening li, next a, and so on. And then obviously right at the end we're going to close with li as well. So we have our links ready. Let's move to the next video. We're going to create our last method in this class, and then we're going to display the pagination on our catalog pages.